A very good morning, children. Let us write a classwork for the unit 1, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Maintain separate English classwork note, children. First Roman, new words with the meaning. I have given 5 new words with their meaning. Let's see the first one. Parakeet means a small bird of the parrot family with a long tail. Second one, insisted. It means sit firmly. Third one, lunged. It means moved forward suddenly. Fourth one, railing. It means fence made of metal or wooden bars. Fifth one, shrieked. Shrieked means spoke in a loud or high voice. Let us see the very important part of the lesson, that is question and answer. First one, how do parrots and parakeets learn to talk? Answer, parrots and parakeets learn to talk when someone repeats the words and phrases many a times in front of them. Second one, where did Aunt Ruby get the parrot from? Answer, Aunt Ruby bought the parrot from bird catcher who visited all the houses on the road. Third one, why did Aunt Ruby stop liking the parrot? Answer, Aunt Ruby stopped liking the parrot because the parrot did not repeat the words she said and it looked angrily at her. Fourth one, how did Aunt Ruby treat the parrot? How did Aunt Ruby treat the parrot? Answer, Aunt Ruby treated the parrot very unkindly. She said that it was useless because it could not dance, talk, sing or dance. Fifth question, how did the parrot escaped? How did the parrot escaped? Answer, one afternoon while everyone in the dining room, one afternoon while everyone was in the dining room, the speaker went to give lunch to the parrot. By mistake, he left the cage open. The parrot escaped. Sixth one, what made Aunt Ruby turn ruby red? What made Aunt Ruby turn ruby red? Answer, Aunt Ruby turned ruby red when the parrot repeated her unkind words back to her. So, dear children, you can take screenshot to write the classwork. When you are writing the classwork, please write neatly, legibly with a beautiful, neat handwriting. Please write well. Thank you, children. When the school opens, I will correct all your classwork notes. Thank you. Classwork for the Unit 2, Celebrating Bihu. First Roman, new words with the meanings. I have given 8 new words with their meaning. First one, harvest festival. It means celebration of the food grown on the land. Second one, sowing. It means planting seeds on the ground. Third one, eager, interested about something. Fourth one, enthusiastically. It means lot of excitement and interest. Fifth one, garland. Garland means circle of flowers worn around the head or neck decoration. Sixth one, Ma. Ma means mother. Seventh one, Baba. Baba means father. Eighth one, Dola, Tal, Peppa, Gogana and Toka. These all are the musical instruments which are used for the celebration of the harvest festival in Assam. Second one, let us see the second Roman. Add y or ly to make adjective. First one, hill, hilly, just we have added y. Second one, anger, angry, friend, friendly, ear, early, salt, salty. Let us see the very important part of the lesson, question and answers. First one, before visiting Assam, what did the speaker learn about the state from Aunt Ratna? Answer, The speaker learnt about the state from Aunt Ratna are, there are three main points. First one, Assam is one of the most beautiful states in India, first point. Second point, Assam is very rich in agriculture. Third one, the three harvest festival celebrated in Assam. Second question, when did Rongali Bihu celebrated? What is special about this name? Answer, Rongali Bihu is celebrated in the middle of April. It is very special because it is Assamese New Year and it brings joy and happiness to them. Third one, how did farmers take care of their cattle during Bihu? Answer, farmers spent whole day decorating their cattle. They bathed their cows and bulls with maha aladi, a paste of some black gram and a little turmeric. After this, they decorate the animals with a new garland. Fourth question, how is the festival celebrated among families? During Bihu, members of Assamese families greet each other, welcome the guests and pay their respects to elders in family by presenting them with new gamosas. Traditional sweets like laru and pita are also prepared by families. Fifth one, how has the speaker described the Bihu dance? Answer, the speaker described the Bihu dance as a joyous. The speaker loved its brisk steps and also hand movements. Sixth one, how are two other Bihu festivals celebrated? First one, Rongali Bihu. Rongali Bihu, it is celebrated when they start sowing the seeds. Rongali Bihu, it is celebrated when they start sowing the seeds. Second one, Kongali Bihu. Kongali Bihu, it is celebrated when the sowing is completed. When the sowing is completed. Let's move on to the fourth Roman. Mark true or false. First one, Bihu is celebrated all over the world. It is false. It is celebrated only in Assam. Second one, Rongali Bihu is associated with sadness. False. Why? Because Rongali Bihu celebrated with joy and happiness. Third one, people pay their respects to the elders by giving them gamosas. Yes, it is true. They respect the elders by giving the red, white gamosas. Fourth one, peppa and gogana are traditional sweets prepared during Bihu. False. Peppa and gogana are instruments, that is not sweets. So it is false. Bihu Geet are folk stories associated with Bihu. False. That is not folk stories. Bihu Geet means song, sang by the people when they celebrate traditional or harvesting festival. So dear children, I have given the class work to you. Please write neatly without any spelling mistake. Thank you.